Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn a Tesla Model 3 off. Press Controls, then Safety and Security, and choose Power Off to shut down systems immediately. After selecting Power Off, wait while screens go dark and fans stop to confirm the car is sleeping. If you need a faster reset, perform a soft reboot by holding both scroll wheels until the screen restarts, then verify all lights and displays are off. Powering off a Tesla Model 3 can prevent unnecessary energy use and avoid surprises when you return to the car. Letting the vehicle sleep reduces phantom drain and gives the battery a longer idle life. It also limits background activity like climate preconditioning and autopilot routines that draw current. For longer storage, fully power down and monitor state of charge periodically to keep the battery in a healthy range. If your Model 3 won't power down normally, start with simple checks like disabling Sentry Mode and scheduled climate events. Perform a soft reboot by holding both scroll wheels until the center display restarts. This clears many software glitches. If problems persist, avoid DIY battery disconnects and contact Tesla service or a qualified technician to inspect the 12V system. Always confirm the car is in park and doors are closed before attempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.